I poured in about a quarter cup of my juice because it was really hot. Laid my onions on the cut side. That is 2 onions cut in half. I'm gonna let this cook down a little bit. Take the onions out, put the meat back. It's been browned on every side. And then I'm going to add some of that. I've had it laying around. Poured it in a glass right there. I figure that's maybe half a cup or a cup, maybe a cup, I don't know. I'll measure it after I pour the broth in. But I'm going to put some of that in there and we'll see how it goes. When you add wine to a pot roast, as I'm doing in this situation, it always helps to add just some little touch of a tomato. It kind of just balances it out. I don't know how it works. It's scientific, but it works. So I don't have any tomato paste right now or even a tomato sauce. I'm going to give maybe a teaspoon of ketchup, very little ketchup, and probably a tablespoon of this, our favorite salsa. We get it at Aldi's. It's really yummy. Probably just about a tablespoon overall is what I want to add with this wine. I've added my onion halves, cut half down, into the wine mixture with a little bit of salsa and squirt of ketchup. I'm going to rest my meat on top of that and let it cook in the oven at 350 for 3-ish, maybe 4 hours. Scrape the little bits back off into it, put the lid on it, and bam! See you when it's done. Okay, it's about an hour before the roast is done, and I've decided to just roast the potatoes also, not put it in the cast iron pot with the meat. I'm gonna put about maybe 3 tablespoons of olive oil in my bowl and some little bit of garlic powder, salt and pepper, and I found some rosemary leaves. I'm gonna sprinkle some of that in there and maybe on top. Here's my potatoes with all of the ingredients. About to go in the oven for about 40 or 45 minutes at 350 with the meat for the last 45-ish minutes. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate that. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so now. And if you liked the video, please share it with a friend.